Hey, I've got this standing dustpan with a broom combo, just doing a quick review. The brand did send this to me. I'm gonna show you everything you need to know. First thing to know is that it's very lightweight, which is what you need to operate something like this because you have to carry this in one hand and you have to carry this in one hand. Okay, if this is a real heavy dustpan and a heavy broom, it's gonna be really hard on your wrists and dexterity. So really lightweight, very easy to put together. So when the broom is not in use, just go ahead and clip it right here and it's gonna hold it for you. The dustpan actually will fold like this. But when you store it, you can push the broom right down in there. It's gonna hang nice and easy up in the closet. Our broom handle is at an angle, so it's like at a 30-degree angle right there. That's really good ergonomically for picking things up. So we've got a mess here. I'm gonna do all this one-handed, okay? So we'll go ahead. We've got a little corner here, so we can go ahead and take this. It's great for scooping all that stuff out. And again, I'm doing this one-handed. Look at how easy it pulled everything away from there. Just reiterating to you, I am all doing this one-handed. There we go. Super easy to pick up. Very quick. It's delicate enough to pick up the light duty stuff, but it's stout enough to pick up some heavy duty as well. If you happen to get anything clogged in the bristles, all you do is take this, push it onto the comb, slide this up. Push it onto the comb, slide it up. And it's gonna go ahead and pull everything out of the broom bristles. Definitely give this one a look. Does a pretty good job. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.